Repairing the fuse of our dryer is broke.
We hope that's what it is.
Must be the fuse. What's that one?
Man. Don't want to come off.
Is that broken?
Well, I'm going to go test it.
Okay.
There's a way to test it with and back out. And if this gets too hot, it breaks, and then the electric can't go through and it won't start.
I see.
Okay, so we're going to test the fuse.
Okay.
So if I touch these together, see that goes to 0. That tells me that that it's going right through. There's no resistance.
Okay.
So when I touch this to this and this to this, I should get the same reading. If I get a 1, that means this is broke. It never moved, so that tells me this fuse is broke.
There you go. There's the culprit.
When I touch the 2 pieces, this should do that.
Yeah, it runs.
Should go to 0. But when I touch these together,
yeah, it's not working. No. It's not running.
And somebody might say, what happened to your probe? But it broke off. So I have to use the wire.
Okay. Nag-search talaga si Mike sa Google and sa YouTube too. So that's why he knows.
It's a thermal fuse, so if the dryer gets too hot, this will break, and then the electricity can't go through the circuit, and then it won't start.
So we have to buy something like that?
I gotta replace this. Shouldn't be too expensive.
Okay, good that we know what's the problem. See, my husband likes to fix stuff before buying a new thing. He'll buy this piece. Here's the new one. What is this one? New
thermal. New thermal fuse installation.
No thermal fuse installation. Snap it.
I need one of those screws.
Screws it
That's
back.
good.
In. Now we have to assemble it back. My husband has to assemble it back. I'm glad it's only the fuse that was wrong, or else we're gonna buy the new one. I'm glad he know how to fix things. So we are cleaning the dryer length. Para siyang alikabok or dust ba, pero it really very helpful if we clean it more often. So that's how we did. So it's easy to breathe. Para makaginawa din talaga ang machine, yung airflow niya, so it will dry easy to dry. So that's why it really needs to clean our dryer also. Ayan, tinapos lang namin ang mga naiwang dust, and then Mike put everything back and see how it goes.
Good luck.
Ah!
Yay!
Good job, it works. So the problem was the thermal fuse. Now we save money from buying a new one.
It only cost me $18.
It only cost $18 to replace the...
Instead of $400 for a new one.
Yep, good job. Now we can dry our clothes. Ta-da! Yan, so that's it. It works.